Hello learners, welcome all. Today I will talk about how to set up your own lab. Own lab means I can say like sometimes what happens is you are doing some technical trainings but not able to practice them on your because 24 by 7 lab environment is not available with you, and on production or company laptops you are not able to do so things. So I will tell you how to explain how to practice in your own lab, and for practice we need how to set up your own lab environment. So for this we will need two three things. One by one I will go through those and then tell you how that can help you to create your own lab. So let's start. First of all, I have uploaded a RHEL 7.3 ISO. So you just copy this URL. I will paste it this URL in description box so that you can copy it from here and just paste over here. Okay, so it will give you a option for download it. Just click on download, and it will give you some Google to scan viruses. But believe me guys, this is a genuine trusted ISO file, so you can download it straight away. Just click on download, it will start downloading. I'm canceling from here because it is already available with me. That's there is no good reason to downloading the same thing again. That's it. But you just click on OK and it will start downloading. It is a 3.5 GB around file, so it will take some time. But again, once just start it. Meanwhile, we will do some other things, and depends on your how much time it will take. That depends on your internet speed. So just I have cancelled it, and the next part which we need is Oracle VirtualBox. So just type VirtualBox. From here just click on download, and you will see a option for Windows host. Just click on Windows, save the file, and again when you click on save, the downloading will be started. Again guys, I am cancelling is because again this is also a latest version is already installed with me. That's the reason I am cancelling it. Okay, so just I have cancelled it, but you can download it now. Once the both file VirtualBox and ISO, but I would say ISO we will require later. So meanwhile, let's you can parallelly start set up your VirtualBox. Okay, so first of all you have to install VirtualBox. So where is that with me in my system? It is available in this folder. So just click on double click in. It is very simple, as you know, the simple funda of downloading any software in Windows, like just next, that's it. Run. Again guys, this software is already installed in my system, so I will use this. Just it will same option will come for you as well. Next, and again I'm clicking on repair because I have my own lab setup on this laptop, but if I delete everything, then it is again time consuming part. So I'm not doing that, but it is very easy. Believe me, it is very easy. You can do it like other software you install in Windows. So just use that feature next, and finish it. Uh, if some if you have queries regarding RAM and hard disk, so guys, it is good to have more 4 GB or plus RAM in your system, or around 80 GB, because it again depends on you how many VMs you want to create for lab environment. Normally if you are a Linux administrator, so for simple Linux uh, practices, you need just a single VM. So for single VM, 4 GB RAM and 20 GB hard disk quite sufficient. But multiple times, let's suppose you want to create, or you want to prepare a VM for Windows parallelly. So in that situation, but I will say 80 GB hard disk and 4 GB RAM quite sufficient for you as of now. Later on you can extend that as well, that's not a big challenge. So don't worry on the hard disk part or hardware requirement, just you can proceed with it. Okay, so let's I'm canceling it from here and show you how to you can finish it till end. The next part is just open Oracle VirtualBox. What you have to do over here is just these VMs are already prepared in my system. That's the reason I haven't completed it, but in your system you won't see anything. You will see this new button, so click on new. In new you have to give the VM name, which can be anything you want. I am giving my VM, uh, whatever as per choice. So here by default the option is coming for, and your VM files will stored in this particular directory. You can change it if you want to. Like sometimes what happens is in C directory space is not available, so you can give any other drive which can be like anything, but I am not doing because enough space is available in case of me. Or I can change it if you want. I can change it to, let's suppose, here only. Okay, that's it. Select the folder instead of see, I have done it. So you can set it, and by default the option is coming for Microsoft Windows, but I will install Linux. So Linux I have chosen, and this is Oracle 64 bit. What it is, this is the OS bit size. So I have seen, and when I have done this setup first time, it came 32 bit for in case of me. So why? Because and you have to select RHEL. There must be the option read at 64 bit. Okay, so that you can select, but in case sometimes these 64 bit options doesn't come, only 32 bit. Why so? Because in every laptop we you sometimes the virtualization is not enabled at hardware level, so you have to enable that. How to enable that? You have to reboot your system, go to the BIOS, and from there you need to change something. I'm saying over here because in every laptop or every system it's different, like which option you have to do. So for that you can simply do Google as per your system. If it is a Dell, then it is different something for you. HP, then it is different. So accordingly you can adjust yourself, but it is very simple. You can Google, and in first or second URL you will get your answer how to do it. So from here I am doing just selected it. And so guys, here lots of Debian, lots of option coming. So for as of now my RHELV, my ISO is Reddit version 7, so selecting this and just clicked next. So here what size of RAM you want to give, you can give till as of now the available RAM in my system is 8 GB, so it is coming that only, but you can give whatever you want. I am giving it 1024. It is quite sufficient to run a Linux VM. Easily it will run unless you don't installed a huge software like RHEL, OSP, OpenStack kind of thing, but as of now it will work. Okay, so that's not a problem. By default 1024 1 GB. Next, and after that it is asking that how do you want hard disk. So do not add a hard disk, so create a virtual hard disk from our system. Okay, we will not change anything here, just create. Next, and one, this is again default option, we will choose VDI virtual disk image, just next. And fixed size you can choose dynamically, you can just keep it like that only. Next, and the size of, by default it is coming 8 GB, but you can give it for normally I give 20 GB, but again it depends. So maximum size you can give till 2 TB. It VirtualBox supports. So again, That's not a challenge. So 20 GB I am giving over here and create option I'm doing. So see, one option came up over here. Okay, so from here now what the so you understand like this the hardware is available with you, you know, the CPU is ready with you, and this CPU is a empty CPU. It do not have any operating system installed, and sorry, so you have to install that, or I would say that CPU. It is a just fresh new CPU you bought from market, and you have to install your operating system, whatever you want. So it's a new fresh CPU with the RAM, hard disk, whatever needed. So from here, just select it and click on setting. It will open this kind of thing for you. So here, the system, how do you want to install or how do you want to boot your system? So as of now, I'm not doing any change over here. Later on, we can do. But processor, system, display, okay, that's not a problem. Everything looks fine over here. Just keep by default things only. Video memory, storage. So here I will add a so here that ISO which you have downloaded previously, hope that is already downloaded with you, so that you will have to add over here. Add over here means what you are doing, you understand, like now you, if I click on this button, then you are opening your CD-ROM outside, and by selecting this option you have to select like where is your where you have stored that download when you downloaded your ISO, which I have given you in Google Drive. So from that you just have to what happen choose. Okay, so let's suppose you have downloaded in downloads. So so from there just go for, in case of me it is available in my softwares ISO and RHEL7. Just select it and open. So it means what happened exactly, you have opened your CD-ROM, just put it that CD inside as a ISO we are doing over here, and again closed it. So you have attached, in technical meaning you have done like you have attached a CD of operating system. In which using that we will install our RHEL7. Okay, and the secondary part is your hard disk, which 20 GB size you have given. After that we don't have to do anything in this, just click OK. Okay, so now the machine is ready to boot. First of all, as there is no operating system installed, so it will boot from ISO, and let's see what happens. So just click on it and start. Click on start. Okay, so let's see what happens over here. It is starting. Oh my god, what error message is that? Make sure the kernel module has been loaded successfully. So just a minute guys, let me fix this error message. I'm pausing this video over here, but again restart soon.